Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up VK account without using your phone number. So first thing, open the VK app, then click on sign up here, then go to your browser and search for free virtual phone number, then open this first website. Then scroll down a little bit and choose any number you want. I'll choose this one for example. Then click on the number to copy it, then go back to your app. Make sure to choose the same country as the number, then click paste here, then continue, then select I'm not a robot, then go back to the website and scroll down a little bit until you find update messages, click on it, and then you should find your code down here. Just copy it and then paste it to the app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.